In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to like Instagram notes. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly where to find notes, how to react to them, and what to look out for if the option doesn't appear on your account. Let's start from the very beginning. Go ahead and open the Instagram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to use. You'll land on the home screen, which is the main feed where you usually see posts and stories. From here, look at the very top of your screen, where you normally see the row of profile pictures for Instagram stories. Right above or around that area is where Instagram notes appear. Notes are short, text-based updates your friends share, usually for 24 hours. And they show up as small speech bubble-style text next to or above profile icons in your inbox area. To get a clearer view, tap on the Messages icon, which takes you to your direct messages inbox. At the top of your inbox, you should see a row of profile pictures with small text above them. Those are Instagram notes. If you don't see any, it may mean none of your friends have posted a note recently, or the feature isn't available in your region or on your account yet. Now, to like or react to a note, choose any note you see at the top. Simply tap on the note itself, not just the profile picture. When you tap it, a small reply box will open at the bottom of your screen. You'll also see quick reaction options, like emojis, that you can send as a response. To show that you like a note, select one of the emoji reactions that best fits your response. While there isn't a traditional like button, like on posts, sending a reaction to the note works the same way. It lets the other person know you saw and appreciated what they shared. Once you tap an emoji, your reaction is sent as a direct message to that person, and they'll see it in their chat with you. If you tap a note and only see a text box, you can still type a quick positive reply, like a short message or emoji, which also lets them know you liked it. That's all there is to it. Open Instagram, go to your messages, find the notes at the top, tap one, and react with an emoji or a short reply. With this, you're ready to start interacting with Instagram notes just like a pro.